How to fix best friend pose not showing on Snapchat. So if you want to fix best friend pose not showing on your Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, you need to go with chats, which is on the bottom left. And from here, you can simply go with your best friends. So here on the upper side, you will have your best friends. Tap on best friends and you will have your best friends, right? So you can simply choose on a best friend. So for example, I'll be choosing a person. Now, if you want to view the best friend's pose, then what you need to do is simply tap on view avatars. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to have your best friend pose, right? But if you're not being able to see this one, then what you need to do is go back and remove the application from your background. Tap and hold on to your Snapchat. Go with app info and go with storage and cache. And after that, go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and you need to open up your Play Store. Go with search, and under search, you need to search for Snapchat. Once you've searched, if you have any updates, then update the application. And once you've updated, you need to restart your device, press and hold on to that power button and restart. And after restarting, you will fix your best friend pose not showing on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.